Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom status line projects level in Claude Code terminal. Okay, and what is a status line in Claude Code? Let's search for status line Claude and click over here. You will see customize your status line. This is the status line. It shows you the context window. It shows you how much have you used Claude Code in money or in dollar. It show you the time, and you can custom it to show you many things. Okay, let's create a project over here. Let's hello Claude. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. I right click and open with terminal. I open with Visual Studio Code over here. Okay, and let me create a command prompt over here, and let's cd desktop over here and go to hello Claude and open this project with Claude Trust. You will see there is no status line over here. It should be under here or on top of the manual mode. Okay, and over here in the projects, let's create a new folder and .claude. Okay, and then you have to create two files over here. The first file is settings.json. Okay, and the next file is status line. So for the status line over here, and if you read at the documentation over here, you will see that manually config status line. So you need setting.json. Okay, and you can copy this one. This is the base. Okay, and just paste this over here, but we have to edit this one. Just remove this one, and this one we will edit it later on. Okay, let's go back here, and what else we need? We need to build status line. Okay, we need status line files over here. Actually it support like it support three from the official three language. It support Bash, it support Python, it support Node.js. We are going to use Node.js because I have installed Node.js, and I believe that many developer computer have installed Node.js nowadays. You can go with Python as well, but if you don't have Node.js, you have to make sure that you download Node.js from this website and install it on your computer. The installation is pretty simple. Just click next until it's done. Okay, copy this one, and we open over here, create a new under here, right? Create a new files. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm going to name it statusline.js. Okay, and paste this over here. Save it, and in JSON, so this call status line hook, and we want is to call this file to show the UI of the status line over here. Actually, these files act as the UI, create the UI, and this one is used to refer to this UI. Okay, so we can call it over here. So we use Node, right? As I say, we need use Node.js. Okay, and then / and double quote over here, and here is / okay, between here just put Claude project, okay, directory, and then / refer to Claude project directory, and / over here dot Claude, this folder name, and then / status line, this file's name .js. Save. Okay, let's go back to the projects here. Actually it should show over here. Okay, let's try access over here and go back. Why it doesn't work? Okay, let's check over here again. Over here, no space. Okay, save. Make sure you type this correctly. Okay, you will see here the status bar is displayed over here. Okay, and if you want to change it, you can go to here and just search for or try to understand this code, but I won't spend that much time. But I like this one, display multiple lines. You can copy this code and go back here and remove this one, paste this over here. Okay, and save, and then save, and let's exit and go back again. You will see it's displayed quite good. Let's type hello. But over here we don't see the fill because we don't see the solid color fill up over here. Even the context window has been used for 4%. It should look like this, the solid color fill up like this. Okay, because we have created the status line manually, so it doesn't know anything about this status line. Just I have created a status line manually in the project's level. Let's help me to fix the progress bar in the status line. The progress bar does not fill up with solid color. Even the context has been used for 4%. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, this look good. Alright, this is all about this tutorial. If you like this video, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.